In this lesson, we are actually going to look at how to simplify algebraic fractions. What is actually an algebraic fraction? It is just an fraction, but the numerator and denominator, both of them are made up of algebraic expressions. So, this is one of the examples. X squared plus 4x minus 12 divided by x squared plus x minus 6. How do we simplify it? Well, to do that, we need to factorize first the numerator, x squared plus 4x minus 12, and then the denominator, x squared minus x minus 6. Recall how to actually do the factorization. We know that for this expression, x squared plus 4x minus 12, we need to find two numbers, p and q, which gives us, when they multiply by each other, gives us a product of minus 12, and p plus q equals to 4. For this one, we know that pq has to be minus 6 and p plus q is equals to minus 1. Okay, from that we can work out that the factor for this expression is x plus 6 into x minus 2, and to factorize this, the product is actually, the binomial product is x plus 3 and x minus 2. Therefore, what we can do is rewrite this algebraic expression as two binomial products. What happened now is we can actually eliminate x minus 2 and x minus 2. Therefore, this algebraic fractions simplifies to x plus 6 over x plus 3. To make it clearer, I'm actually going to do some examples. First, let's look at this. This example is a squared minus a minus 12 divided by a squared minus 12a plus 32a. Right, how actually are we going to do this? We could actually factorize the numerator and then factorize the denominator. Let's first have a look at the numerator. A squared minus a minus 12. Right, two numbers which will give us a product of minus 12, and two numbers which will add up to minus 1. Okay, we know that 4 times 3 is 12. But because we needed a minus, and p plus q is minus 1, therefore, one of them is actually a negative number. P plus q, we've got minus 1. Therefore, we know that p has to be greater than q. So 4 is the negative number, and 3 is the positive number. So that factorized as x minus 4, x plus 3. What about the denominator? A squared minus 12a plus 32. Again, we have to look at p, q, which will give us 32, and p plus q will give us minus 12. In this case, the two numbers we are looking for is actually minus 4 and minus 8. Therefore, that factorizes into x minus 4 and x minus 8. Right, let's rewrite these algebraic fractions. A squared minus a minus 12 divided by a squared minus 12a plus 32. That is actually equals to x minus 4, x plus 3 divided by x minus 4, x minus 8. We can simplify this by eliminating the term x minus 4. That will give us x plus 3 divided by x minus 8. Now, what I want you to do is pause the video for about 3 minutes. Try to work out how you could simplify these algebraic expressions. I think you've got enough time. Let's have a look at how to factorize the numerator and then the denominator. So we've got b squared minus 3b minus 18. We need to find two numbers which equals to minus 18 and add up to minus 3. And the two numbers are minus 3 and 6. Therefore, b squared minus 3b minus 18 factorized into x minus 3, x plus 6. What about the denominator? B squared minus 9. We know that this is actually differences of perfect square. Therefore, it actually factorized into b minus 3 and b plus 3. Note that I've actually made an error here. This is actually b and not x. Alright, rewriting this fractions. B squared minus 3b minus 18 divided by b squared minus 9. That is b minus 3, b plus 3 divided by b minus 3 and b, that's b plus 6, b plus 3. And again, we can eliminate this term and this term. And therefore, b squared minus 3b minus 18 divided by b squared minus 9 actually simplifies to b plus 6 over b plus 3. I've got two more examples to go. A little bit more complicated. What I want you to do is, again, pause the video, this time about 5 minutes. Look at these algebraic expressions and see how you can simplify it. This time, you've got 4 different algebraic expressions. You need to factorize each one and then simplify. You can pause the video now and I'll work on it to show you a little bit later. Alright, you'd have enough time to actually work out how to simplify this. What we can do is factorize this, this, and this. Let's start. I'm not going to bother rewriting this to algebraic fractions. Let's go straight into factorizing this. This actually is y minus 5 and y plus 2. You know that minus 5 plus 2 gives you a product of minus 10, and adding them together give you minus 3. And y squared minus 5. Using the distributive law is y minus 5. Alright? Times 2y squared times 2y. Common factor is 2y, and this is y minus 1. Now, y squared minus y minus 6 is actually y minus 6 plus 1. Alright, any question here? No. We can start to see if we can eliminate some terms. Y minus 5, y minus 5. Now, you know that this is multiplication, 2y and y. We can actually eliminate y as well. Therefore, this actually simplifies down to y plus 2 to y minus 1 over y minus 6 and y plus 1. One more example. This time, the example is actually a division. So you know that when a fraction is divided by another fraction, you should actually change this to a multiplication and invert the second fraction. Let's rewrite it. That equals to x squared minus 7x plus 12 divided by x squared plus 3x minus 18 times x squared plus x minus 6 divided by 2x squared minus 2x. Now, once you've got this step, again, pause the video for about 5 minutes, factorize this 4, and then simplify it. Right, enough time. Let's actually factorize this. Okay, the top expression is x minus 3 and x minus 4. You know that minus 3 times minus 4 is plus 12. Minus 3x plus minus 4x is minus 7x. So that is the binomial product. Okay, let's have a look at the bottom one. What is actually, how do you factorize that? It's actually x plus 6 and x minus 3. The product of plus 6 and minus 3 is minus 18. Okay? Adding both of them together gives you plus 3x. The next one is x and x again. This is minus 2 plus 3. Okay? Minus 2 plus 3 gives us minus 6. Adding up minus 2 plus 3 is actually plus 1. And this one is 2x, x minus 1. Right? 2x times x gives you 2x squared. 2x times minus 1 actually gives you minus 2x. Alright, let's do some elimination. We can do x minus 3, x minus 3. Is there anything else? No. That's it. So we can rewrite that is x minus 4, x minus 2, x plus 3 divided by 2x, x plus 6, and x minus 1. That is the answer. You've got some questions for you to try and work on the worksheets. Answer will be provided as well.